yeah, brother! Look what just struck off the eastern coast of Russia, man. Look what just struck off the eastern coast of Russia, man. A big, giant 8.7 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Russia, man. Now there's tsunami warnings for Japan over here, man. There's tsunami warnings for Japan. And it looks like if you live in Alaska, you better be on the alert for tsunamis there. Probably in Hawaii, too. And just to be on the safe side, man, the west coast of the U.S. better be on the lookout for a tsunami, too. Because look at the size, look at that thing, man. That thing is huge, man. And there's little earthquakes inside, too. Like little magnitude 5s. Magnitude 5s are what hit Washington, D.C. Got hit with a magnitude 5.8 in 2011, man. I was in that earthquake. So, ooh yeah, brother. Look at this, man. A big giant earthquake. And tons of tsunami warnings all around the Pacific, probably, man. Hawaii and Japan for sure. Probably China, better watch out. Some other places. Ooh, yeah!